The problem for us, or for myself, was a very small kitchen. I've always wanted to expand the kitchen, and then I thought, well, if we're going to expand the kitchen, we might as well add an entertainment area with it. I heard about Stately from a very good friend of ours who has known Jake for a very long time and recommended them, and that's how it all started, all through a friend. They came in and I thought it was like Batman and Robin coming in. They immediately put out the plans, like I wasn't even there. We're talking to each other on how they would do this and they needed to do that. And they just impressed me so much with the concern I think they had to get the job done right for me. I can't say enough about how the whole process went with them. It was so smooth and well organized. This came out exactly like I had drawn it. I wanted a cozy, comforting home, just a little larger for our family. So the job was completed in June, and from June till now, the middle of August, I've already had a dinner party for 7 from old friends that I used to work with 40 years ago. We've had family functions here, which was another reason to expand. I just really know where we can all congregate. So this has changed that. We've definitely been able to have family gatherings, and I'm assuming that all the holidays will now be here. This was the smoothest run project I could have ever hoped for. You always hear people saying, oh, I got a contractor, they didn't show up, they're messy. They cleaned up every day. I saw them every day. John walked me through every single step of this, like very own project manager. And I cannot say anything negative about it from start to finish. I already have. I keep asking John for my own Stately t-shirt so I can advertise while I'm out and about. I would recommend them to anyone for any project, really. You have to have patience, because now that I look back on, a lot of people are like, wow, you didn't have a kitchen for like 6 weeks or whatever. But now that you look back, it doesn't seem like it was that long. It doesn't seem like they started 5 months ago. Just have patience and know that, you know, it's all gonna get done and done properly. I can't even find the words. I would cry. It just was such a nice experience for me. And I love the guys that worked on it. You know, I actually miss not having them here. Well, being the only coffee drinker, my coffee station over there, that's what I was very excited about. And of course the island, the extra space to cook, prep cook, bake. People are hanging out at it. But definitely I was very excited about my coffee area. I love having coffee in that chair and looking out the windows to the birds. And when football season starts, which is around the corner, we're planning on having watch parties here. Something we were never able to do before. So that I'm very excited about that. Thank you, Stately, for making my dream come true.